Watch what happens when dogs try trick or treat. Cute dogs always get the treats.
Trick or treat. Oh, you're so cute. Of course it's a treat. Here you go.
Get away! Get away!
Oh, I bet you know. This is a treat, of course. I mean, can you resist this dog's cuteness?
Peekaboo!
Oh my god! Oh, no! No! What?
And this is what they do with all those treats. Hey, give us some of that.
Hey there, little fella.
Ow! Ow! My floor!
Subscribe now and imagine what tale we're spinning next.